Hello everyone, want to attach images in DeepSeek? It's super easy and I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open the DeepSeek app. Once you are in, open any chat where you want to send your image. Now, to attach an image, tap the plus symbol at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will show you several options. You'll see options like Photo OCR, Image OCR, and Document. Tap on Image OCR to continue. Next, browse through your device and select the image you want to attach. You can choose from your gallery or files. Once you have picked your image, you can type any message to go along with it if you'd like. Then tap Send. And that's it. Your image is now successfully uploaded with your text and ready to share. Make sure the image is clear and well cropped for the best result while sharing it with others. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.